Gurubhyo Namaha, Namo Namaha. Welcome to session 18, Sanskrit language and grammar. In session 17, we saw how the verbal formation happens. Correct? Means we take the basic verbal root. If possible, wherever possible, we add E, the letter E. Then we add Vikarana Pratyaya. Then to that we add Think Pratyaya. Then you get what? You get a verb. We also saw an example. For example, the verb bhu. Bhu means to be, to exist. If we see the Dhatu Pata means the list of verbal roots. How it will appear like? Bhu. Let us take, for the first verb will be bhu. Bhu means to exist, to be. Then it will be like this. The Dhatu Pata will look like this. Bhu Sattaya. Meaning, it will give the verb, verbal root and its meaning. Sattaya means to be, to exist. Then, this is which group? Gana. Which Gana? It is Bhavadi Gana. Bhuadi Gana. It means the Gana, the group starts with the verb, verbal root bhu. Bhavadi Gana. So, the bhu and I, if you they join together, you call a sandhi. The sandhi, the bhu and a becomes bha, va, bhava. So, bhavadi gana. Then, this verb, bhu, belongs to parasmaipadi dhatu. Then, this verb is akarmaka. Means it doesn't have object. Meaning what? If you ask what to the verb, then you will not get an object as an answer. Suppose for example I said I ate. You ask what did you eat? What if you ask? You will get an answer. I ate fruit, I ate this, I ate that, right? But here to exist, to be, what to be? What you exist? You can't ask the question. You will not get an answer. It will not have an object to answer that question. So, it is akarmaka. Akarmaka means without object. Then it is a set dhatu. Set dhatu means with this dhatu, E can be added provided the pratyaya is also qualified. So, these are the things you will find it in a verbal root list that is called dhatu pataha. Then I said that in the last session, we will see each and every terminology, whatever we saw, and we deal with that. In this session, we will deal with lakaraha. Lakaraha, plural. What is lakaraha? In Sanskrit, suppose I want to say a, I will refer it as akara, ikara, ukara. That means I refer that letter. So if I want to refer the letter la, it is called lakara. So the lakaras represents what? The tense and moods of the verb. What are the tenses? Past tense, present tense and future tense. What are the moods? The moods represent the context in which the verb is used. What could be the context? It could be a request, it could be an order, then it could be a wish, a desire, hope, blessing, whatever that. So in Sanskrit, there are 10 lakaras and one lakara is there that is used only in Veda, that is late lakara. Excluding late lakara, there are only 10 lakaras. Out of that, 6 are representing the, denoting the time, that is called kala vachaka lakaraha, and 4 denotes the mood, that is bhava vachaka lakaraha. What are the 6 lakaras? Lakara is nothing but pratyaya. What are the 6 pratyayas which represents the tenses? 1 represents the present tense, 3 represents the past tense, 2 represents the future tense. So the pratyaya, the lakara, which represents the present tense is known as lat lakara. When you say the lat lakara, the takara is a marker letter that will go when you are really using this. Only la will remain. That's why it is called lakara. Then The present tense is, I said, that denoted by lat lakara. The past tense is denoted by three lakaras. What are they? One is lang lakara. The lang lakara is anadyatana bhutakala. Adyatana means today's. Anadyatana means before 12 a.m. today. Any action happened before 12 a.m. today. If you want to represent, you use anadyatana bhutakala or lang lakara. What is lung lakara? Lung lakara is a samanya bhutakala which represents happened today, happened 12 a.m. before 12 a.m. today, or in a distance past. Okay, that's why it is called, the lung lakara is called samanya bhutakala. So if it is today's past, it is called adyatana bhutakala. If it has happened to before 12 a.m. today, means anadyatana bhutakala. If it happened in the distance past, or it's not seen by us, seen by somebody else, it's called paroksha bhutakala. So there is one present tense, that is lat lakara, which represents the vartamana kala or the present tense. Three lakaras represent the past tense. They are lang lakara, that is anadyatana bhutakala, that is not today, the past of not today, earlier than today. Then lung lakara, it is a samanya bhutakala. It is also past tense, but the past tense could be today's past tense, before 12 a.m. today's past tense, or in a distance past. And lit lakara is very remote past or seen by somebody else. Okay. Then we have two lakaras representing the future. What are they? Lut lakara. Lut lakara means not happening today, from tomorrow onwards, tomorrow, from tomorrow. And Rit lakara is a samanya lakara which includes the future which will happen today, tomorrow, or in a distant future. So there are 6 tenses in Sanskrit. They are known as kalavachaka lakaraha. Kalavachakaha lakaraha. What are they? Lat, present tense. Past tense there are 3. What are they? Lang, that is anadyatana bhutakala, that is not today's, before 12 a.m. today. Then lung, samanya bhutakala, any past tense including today or earlier today or very distant past. And lit, it is a paroksha bhutakala or a remote past. And future tense there are 2. Lut lakara, that is not today, tomorrow onwards. And rit lakara, which is a samanya bhutakala, it is today's future, tomorrow's future, or a distant future. So 6 tenses are there. And 4 moods are there. Moods are contextual. See, lakaras give meaning to the thing pratyaya. Okay, the thing pratyaya, what does it do? What does the thing pratyaya represents? It represents, see, there are 18 thing pratyayas. 9 of them belonging to Atmanepati and 9 of them belonging to Parasmaipadi. I said that. Parasmaipada pratyayaha 9, Atmanepada pratyayaha 9, right? Why 9? Because there are 3 Purushas, means 3 persons. First person, second person, and third persons. So that to represent the 3, you need 3. Then why 9? Because also every Purusha, every person has got Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Single, dual, and plural. So 3 into 3, 9. Both for Parasmaipada and Atmanepada. So this lakaras, they give meaning to the thing pratyaya, these thing pratyaya, because it gives meaning based on the tenses and the moods. Now we have seen the 6 tenses. Now we will see the 4 moods. Lakaras representing the 4 moods. That is called bhava vachaka. One is lot lakara. Lot lakara represents order, request, everything. Vidhi ling, order, request, etc. Ashir ling, blessings, desires, hopes. Then rlung lakara, rlung, il or r, rlung lakara. Rlung lakara is a conditional mood. It has got a cause and effect. It reveals the cause and effect relationship, and also it indicates the absence of action. If I give an example, you will understand rlung lakara. Suppose I use the word, had you gone on time, you would have got the train. That means what? You didn't go on time and you missed the train. So the absence of action, that is not getting the train, is mentioned. Also it is giving a cause and effect. Since you didn't go on time, you missed the train. So not going on time is the cause, missing the train is the effect. So these are all the four Bhavavachaka Lakara. And late Lakara, as I said, it is used only in Vedas, not in the worldly transaction. So we have seen 10 Lakaras in these sessions. Out of the 6 are representing the Kala or denoting the time. 4 denote the context, that is known as moods. Okay. So in the subsequent session, we will see the further chapters. Okay. Thank you.